If you need to watch a video on how to take off your dash, look on my channel. But we need to take this whole black unit off right there. And the way you take it off is only 3 screws holding it, okay?
I just like the sound of it.
They're located right here. 1, 2, and 3, but right in the bottom. So the first one is located right here. Second one is located right here. Right in there, look. This one here. And the third one is located right in here. You can barely see it though. Now you gotta take off these 3 hoses here. They're just clamps, you see them? And then don't forget to take off this screw, which is right here. Take it off. Okay, now let's go inside the car. You are going to unclip both of these clips, one here and one on the other side, and then move them to the side. Okay, and this whole unit should come off already. There's only 3 screws holding it, that's it. You're just gonna unclip that too. So, the other way, that's the way it looks behind the dash. You take it out, and I'm walking around it so you can see how it looks, and I'm gonna show you how to change this part out. First thing you wanna do, start taking off the screws around it. This is the way it looks behind the dash without the unit. Just showing you so you can get a closer look. Okay, so let's start taking off all the screws.
I just like the sound of it.
One more right there. So now you want to take these off, unscrew it, take off the old one. Comes right off. This is the way you swap this out. All you gotta do is install the new one, but make sure you put new gaskets on everything. That's what I call them. I call them gaskets.
I just like the sound of it.
New one.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
Put everything back together, put all the screws on, and then you're done.